Welcome to my bathroom, you guys. I just cleaned it up today, so I figured it would be the perfect time to show you dolls a little bathroom tour plus my night routine. And I always like to start my night routines out with a clean space. This way I can fully enjoy my skincare routine and showering and all of that good stuff. So in my shower, the newest addition, as you can see, is some eucalyptus. So I decided to hang some eucalyptus in the shower so that way it'll add a little bit of an aromatherapy as the steam comes out. So we'll see how that goes. It looks really great in here, honestly, with the marble tile in the background. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys use eucalyptus in your shower space and how do you like it. As far as the decor in here, it's so simple. I had these items and I just didn't have anywhere else to put them. So all of these signs are from Brandy Melville. Over the years I've just collected them. East Coast I bought in New York, City of Angels I bought here in LA, and then the Chanel sign, I don't even know when I got that. I also have a candle here, and I really like white stuff for my bathroom. I feel like it opens up the space a little bit and it adds that airy spa hotel vibe, which is definitely what I was going for with my bathroom here. This I got from HomeGoods and I think it's so cute, very girly and very simple. As for my linens, these are also from HomeGoods, but I'll link something similar on my Amazon page. Again, with the white, it just looks very fresh and reminds me of a hotel. And I always like to have extra linens in my bathroom just in case I need them for my hair or if I'm doing skincare and I want a fresh towel with literally nothing on it, then I can grab that. And I also will set out like new products or something that I'll want to try out just to remind me, because I do get a lot of things in PR. So this I actually bought from Sephora a while back in a little set, and I absolutely love this brand. The line smells so good, like you're on a tropical vacation, so why not bring that vibe to your home, right? So I'm gonna use this shower gel tonight in the shower. So I put that out so I could remind myself. And then my clothes hamper, I've had this thing for so long and it's held up for 7 years now, and I love like the natural wicker of it. And this is from Target, so I think it's a nice decorative thing that you can put in your bathroom space that is also very functional. As for my products in the shower, we're not going to talk about that because that just looks cluttered and a mess. So over here is a little chaotic mess. I know exactly what's in here, and I like using baskets for storage purposes. This one is also from HomeGoods. Super cute, very inexpensive, and it does the job. So I keep my daily essentials like body moisturizers, wipes, and then some facial cloths, as well as a scale that I never use, maybe like once every 3 months, but it's here if I ever need it. And hello, here I am. Here is my bathroom sink. This is probably my favorite part of my bathroom space and why I picked this apartment, because the lighting is insane. You can see everything, and the vanity mirror reminds me so much of the SLS hotel in Vegas, which I love. So having this in my apartment is just such a dream, such a luxury, and I didn't know I needed it until I had it. So absolutely love keeping this as clean as possible, and I don't like to have a ton of clutter, but as you can see, I'm a skincare junkie, so I like to try to contain the mess. So I got this acrylic bin in PR, upcycled it, and decided to use it for my daily skincare essentials. Yeah, it's a lot of product, but I absolutely love creating a routine that works for me, and I don't care if it's time consuming as long as the products work, right? So I'll drop a link on my Amazon page to an acrylic bin. I have things like this around my apartment for other storage purposes, and I find that it works great in my bathroom space. Over here I have some more eucalyptus, which I got from Trader Joe's. Super affordable and it lasts a long time, so I just popped it in a little mason jar, and then I'll go in and change the water every few days because it will start to turn on me. And then I have this beautiful crystal. This is an onyx, and it gives out a lot of loving vibrations. It's very gentle and relaxing and calming. So for the bathroom space, I figured it would be perfect for in here. And then I have this cute little hand towel. Love the gray. and the white. Of course, this is from Target as well. And then in my cabinets, I'm very happy to have a lot of storage, so I'm not even going to open up the big compartment because it is a hot mess and I just need to organize it. But over here is where I keep a lot more of my skincare products that I also use on a regular basis that might be too big to fit in the acrylic bin, and things that I'll use a couple times out of the week, not necessarily every single day. So that is nice that it has a home. Over here is like my toothbrushing needs, and then deodorant sprays. And then down here, I like to keep more skincare. As you can see, I love my masks. So I'll have different masks in here that I'll like to use for rotation. So essentially, it is just a lot of skincare in my bathroom space. But as you can see, having it all clean like this just looks so nice. Just like a hotel room. And that's my bathroom tour. I figured I would show you guys what's going on in here and how I make this space just feel so cozy but relaxing, like a hotel. Kind of like my escape away from the chaos, because I do like to take my time when it comes down to my night routine and doing my skincare. I'll play my music in here, like I'll bring my little speaker, start listening to like a relaxing playlist on my Spotify. And I don't know, I just go all out. I make it feel like a spa. I even put essential oils in the base of my shower as well. But today I just want to try out the eucalyptus on its own to see if I can smell it while I take my shower. I don't know. I've never hung it up in the shower before, so I'm excited about that. But I'm gonna hop into the shower and then I'll pop back out and show you guys my full skincare routine. I do have a little makeup on tonight, so I like to just take off my mascara and brows with a makeup wipe, and then I'll cleanse my face in the shower and then do everything else out of the shower. Now, I don't know if you dolls caught my how to smell, look, and taste like a snack video. Definitely go watch that if you're into hygiene and like my favorite products that I use. Go watch that video. That's basically everything I'm going to do in the shower, and it's pretty extra. I mean, I exfoliate, I shave, I do my face. Sometimes I'll do an in-shower mask depending on how my skin is. Tonight I'm not washing my hair, so I get to skip that step. Yay, because I freaking hate washing my hair and going to bed with wet hair, so that's why I've got the braids going on. But go watch that video. I'll link it in the cards and I'll put it in the description box because it's skincare goals, hygiene goals, okay? It's a must watch for sure. Oh my god, yes! And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, sometimes, most of the time when I have a candle lit, I turn off all the lights, I have my playlist going. Tonight I'm gonna listen to hashtag CTFO, chill the fuck out. If you guys are looking for music, definitely check out my Spotify, which I'll link in the description box. So again, I just like creating that relaxing environment. So for me, taking a shower in dim lighting is just amazing. So amazing. You guys, I am fresh out of the shower cap and all, because I was just not trying to wash my hair. It just did not need to be washed, and I'm not trying to wash my hair every day. So now is when I moisturize. Like, that's the first thing I do when I get out of the shower, so that way I can put on my cute pajamas. So as you can tell by this bottle, I love it so much. I think I might prefer the tub of it more because it's a little bit thick, and it's the Soap & Glory Mist You Madly. This has the best fragrance. As you guys know, if you've watched my hygiene video, how to smell, taste, and look like a snack, I'm all about just smelling good because I feel good. So I literally put this everywhere, all over the place. And I don't understand how you could go to bed or get out of the shower and not moisturize your body. How does that work? Like, don't you get itchy? I don't know. I've already picked out my pajamas for tonight. and I was feeling very princess vibes. So I've got this cute satin set from Lounge, which I am going to pop on. I'm so extra, I put it in the dryer to get out the wrinkles. Why am I like this? I don't know, but I just love cute pajamas, lingerie. I'll wear lingerie to bed all the time. I love cute pajamas, I swear. I like little satin sets like this. It reminds me a lot of like Kourtney Kardashian, and like, you know, you'd see her wearing cute little pajamas and they were on vacation and all of that good stuff. So for my skincare routine, it's pretty much the same every night, other than certain products that I don't use every day, right? So in the shower, I decided to use my Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This is something that you want to use maybe once a week, twice a week, if that, to really exfoliate your skin. I felt like because I had makeup on today, my skin was just a little bit clogged. So a little bit of this goes a very long way, and I leave it on for 2 minutes, and then I will just rinse it off of my face. So before I go in with my skincare, I'm going to wash my hands because I put body lotion on and I don't want that to be on my face since it is scented. So always go in with clean hands, you guys. You don't need to rush to do your skincare. Think of it as a fun experience. I know sometimes you want to go to bed, you're tired, you don't have the time for it, but trust me, your girl, she has time for clear skin. However, I do have a couple of breakouts. That's because I skipped like a week of my multivitamins. So I'll never do that again. That's what I'm saying. I'd rather do these things that work versus have breakouts and just crappy skin. So I'm going to use my toner. As you can see, another favorite of mine will definitely be repurchasing. This is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. I definitely think that this works very well with my skin, which happens to be normal. Like, I don't get super dry. Well, I guess it's dry because like right now with no product after I wash it, it's dry, but I don't really have like oily skin. So I'd say dry to normal. This works very well and it smells amazing. So I just take it on a cotton round and tone my face. Next, I go in with my eye cream, and right now I've been using my Glam Glow Bright Eyes. This stuff is really bomb, you guys. I highly recommend it, and a little bit does go a long way with eye cream, and I've had this for some time now and I'm surprised that I still have product left. So eye cream is just essential, man. If you're not using an eye cream, I highly recommend you invest in one because it's preventative. You don't want to start using an eye cream when you see wrinkles and darkness and dryness, because honestly it's not going to do much. You need to start preventing the issues before they arise. I'm going to go in with my essence again. I love this stuff so much. Would definitely recommend this and will probably be rebuying if not trying a different brand. But this one is the Grow Tea Tree 95 Essence. I believe this is a Korean, yeah it is, a Korean skincare brand. So a few drops of this is all I need, and this is basically like a base for your skincare. It allows all of the products that you use on top of it to actually absorb into the skin. Beverly described it as being like a sponge. You know, it's able to fully absorb all of that amazing skincare. So I always use an essence, and I just press it into my skin. And I'm gonna tell you guys, my routine is not to be messed with. It is a lot of steps, but like I just love it. It's amazing. So once I do my essence, I'm going to do a vitamin C serum, and right now I'm using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. This stuff is amazing. Again, a little bit goes a very long way, and it smells so good, like an orange tree or something. So I like to bring this down my neck as well, because guess what, when you get older you'll get wrinkles in your neck, and we don't have time for that. So put your vitamin C serum down there. Then I'm going to go over top with my moisturizer, and this one is the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening. It's in the same line as this, and the Truth Juice Cleanser, which I adore. So I use a generous amount of this. Again, I just like to wake up with hydrated, plump skin. So I like a thicker moisturizer. Personally, I don't really like the gel-based moisturizers because they're too light for me and my skin type. I usually use the Osea Essential Hydrating Oil, but it's literally gone. So tonight I'm gonna give the Drunk Elephant Luxury Facial Oil a go, which I'm so excited about. I love when I finish one skincare product and then I can move on to something new, because listen, skincare is expensive. You don't want it to go to waste. This is really nice packaging, by the way. So it says to apply 2 to 3 drops to the face, neck, chest, hands, cuticles, in the back of your arms, or any place needing extra moisture without any greasy residue. Okay, I'm just gonna use this on my face because again, this is expensive. I don't need to be putting this on my elbows. And with oils, a little bit, seriously, ooh, goes a long way. Literally 2 drops, girl, is all you need. And again, I'm just gonna press into my skin. It has a nice, like, nutty scent. And this step is just really crucial for my next step, which you guys will see. And I get a little bit red when I do my skincare because my face is sensitive. So definitely excited to use this oil and let you guys know how I think about it, or what I think about it. Now I'm going to take, I know, so many steps, my facial massager. I wash this every use, so it's ready for me to go. And this is when I go in and I use my gua sha. This one's an amethyst. It is incredible. I also feel like this is why I have a jawline, because it's not swollen or puffy. You can really feel the knots that are in your face. Essentially, it is a facial massager. So if you have acne prone skin, you have a lot of inflammation, this is going to be something that you will want to use in your routine to drain your lymph nodes and reduce the puffiness in the morning. Pro tip, stick it in the fridge and use it when it's chilled, and oh my god, it feels amazing. So I mean, it still feels amazing, but you definitely want to put oil down though, because you want it to glide across your face and not drag. Definitely go over your third eye, cleanse away all things that do not serve your highest good. Temples. Like, this is what I look forward to. Have a glass of wine, get your music, massage your face. And I know for me, I hold a lot of tension in my face, you guys, especially here in my third eye, so it's kind of crucial for me to go over those areas. Okay, so I do have a few breakouts, so I'm not going to continue to go over that, but I'm going to wash my gua sha. I have this on my Amazon page, and also all of these products too, if I can find them, underneath the beauty section to make it easier for you guys to check out. So always keep your skincare tools clean. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below with your skincare favorites. What brands do you guys like? What products can't you live without? Let me know, and let all the dolls know as well. And don't forget to subscribe and click the post notification bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. And until next time, I'll catch you dolls in my next video. Bye!